Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete bookmarks in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Firefox web browser and select the application menu up at the top right corner. And then you want to go down and select bookmarks. And then you can just right click on whatever bookmarks you want to delete, and then you can select the delete bookmark option. Alternatively, if you have a lot of bookmarks in here, you can just select the manage bookmarks button, which can be also reached by selecting the Control, Shift, and O key combination on your keyboard at the same time. And then you could just locate by selecting Bookmarks toolbar or Bookmarks menu, and you can just select all bookmarks and then go underneath the Bookmarks toolbar there. And if you have other bookmarks listed in here, you just could right click on them and just select delete bookmark. You can search for bookmarks as well. You have a whole bunch of them listed in here if you need to find a specific one. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.